Welcome to another episode of Psychology on the Charts, where I show you the technical origin of many of the psychological problems that traders face, starting with myself. Another psychological problem that I used to have was impatience, and it was a very strange kind of impatience because I could wait days, weeks for price to get to my point of interest. But the anticipation that price is inside my fair value, oh my god, I'm about to catch a trade, I need to be on the chart, I need to get this trade, would then make me not wait for my confirmation entries, and then so price might be trading on the daily time frame, and I would have waited like 4 days for price to come back into a daily fair value gap. And as soon as it touches it, every 5 minute engulfing candle, I'm like, hey, I don't want the trade to leave me, because the feeling that you have been waiting for so long, and now the market has finally come into your point of interest, and the market needs to reward you now. So you're jumping in there. And look, you might be right about the overall direction of the market and what it intends to do, but nowhere does it say that immediately price taps into a daily fair value gap, it must use your 5 minute engulfing candle to rocket away. If you go and look at Euro USD, the whole of last week, Euro USD traded into a daily fair value gap and started consolidating inside there. This is the reason that I tell you that a lot of psychological problems comes from lacking a complete technical understanding of how the market moves, because over time you will realize that price tapping into your daily fair value gap by itself does not mean jack shit. It can go in there and start consolidating for days. It can go in there and completely blast through it. So you must wait. Let the consolidation happen. Let the 1 hour change structure and then start moving up. That is when you will get the trade. So you see how a lot of the time the psychological problems come from having a half-baked or a not well-formed opinion of how the market is supposed to move. Because you know what the fair value gap is and you know that price bounces from it. But you don't yet know the myriad of things that price can do when it gets into a fair value gap and what to look for. So your waiting does not stop because price has traded into the area. You're still waiting for price to tell you that the area intends to be respected. I'm Velos the Trader, and I'll talk to you later.